Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? Hope you all are enjoying sound health. Today we are going to discuss about e-commerce. Before starting the e-commerce, let us discuss it what will be our objective of this lesson. We will discuss the e-commerce, what e-commerce allows us, and also we will discuss what e-commerce actually want and how it works. So this is the first part of my lesson. Before starting e-commerce, let's discuss what is commerce. So students, commerce. Any activity of buying and selling things or services is commerce. Any activity of buying and selling of things or services is actually commerce. Let's have a simple example. What's that? Let's suppose you buy a box of pencils from a stationery shop. You are taking part in a commercial activity, and so is the shopkeeper. In this thing, you are buying a thing, and that is also a commercial activity and a commerce. A service, when you deposit your savings in your bank account, you are taking part in a banking activity. In such situation, you have to travel to the shop or to the bank to complete the activity. But all these scenarios is changing with the help of computer, and that changes occur and invented the e-commerce. So what is e-commerce? As e-commerce, electronic commerce, as name indicating, electronic means where any electronic device like computer, mobile, laptops are involved, and also the internet connection. So what is electronic commerce? Electronic commerce allows us to take part in commercial and banking activities using a computer and internet connection. And you don't have to physically go at that place for availing that services or buying or selling that thing. You are using computers, websites and internet connection for this purpose. As you know, we all are, the world is in a scenario suffering from some viruses and all that. So right now we cannot do any of the physical activities. We cannot go to the shops, we cannot go to the bank, or we cannot avail any other services. So we can use the e-commerce where machines are involved in it. So now e-commerce combines few things together to have a productive work, like communication, database management and data security. These three things are combined together to bring a sound e-commerce activities. Now, what do you mean by communication? Let's have the example of the traditional shops. Whenever there is a mall or there is a shop, they have a salesperson which has strong communication skill, who is telling about the product and all the things about the products. So you used to go on that shop where the salesperson is telling you about the brands, about all the information about the product. Similarly, when we come to the e-commerce, there are certain tools, electronic tools, software tools, which provide you to do the communication over electronic commerce. Database management. What is a database management? Let's again go to back the traditional commerce. You know, the traditional shopkeepers have registers and all those things, registers or papers to record about what is the sale today and what is the purchase today, and all the transaction is being recorded in a register. But when we talk about the e-commerce, the specialized software, they are called database management system. These softwares allows you to record your transaction details. your buying details, your selling details, and the details about your product as well. And there are so many database softwares available in the market. We have to pick any one which is suitable to our environment or our requirement. Those are, like, I have written over here some of the name, like Oracle is there, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase. It depends upon what is our need. So we can just pick any one for our e-commerce purpose. Now the most important thing, data security. E-commerce provide you 100% data security when you are using your personal details, your phone numbers, your a debit card or a credit card number. You can, with 100% data security, you can enter your credit card number or debit card number, your phone number, your addresses. Because for dealing these things, usually these database management system are using, and the unauthorized person cannot access any database. So these three things combine together to make a successful e-commerce. Now let's discuss what e-commerce can do, what we can do with the e-commerce. We can buy and sell things without having to leave our home. Nowadays, if you talk about the scenario we are having right now, this is very much useful and 100% secure. Like, people cannot go out from the home, they are in quarantine, they can buy the things and buy the things and sell things from right their homes. And with the help of e-commerce, they can operate the bank accounts from their home as well. And in general, if you talk about the generally and in general days, so we can use our bank account while traveling, while resting, while having the lunch in a restaurant. So we don't have to physically go to the bank and do the transaction for this purpose. We can simply do from our laptops or from our mobile phones. Now, what e-commerce allows us? Very important. E-commerce allows us to access information about various products in a safe and convenient way. How? We all are experiencing these things. Let's suppose you want to buy something online by using the computer, online shopping opportunity. Let's suppose there is an example of buying some of the dresses. We just simply go to the website, they have the price and the detail about the outfit and which type of cloth is this and everything, what type of a design it is, which company it belongs to, everything is there. So you can access the information about the particular product in an easy and convenient way. Like, let's suppose you want to buy a car, you can simply go to the website and have all the features right on your computer or your mobile screens. So it is very easy for us to find the information about some product and all those things. And secondly, e-commerce allows us to share sensitive information, as we talked before, that we can easily, with 100% security, we can easily give our phone numbers, our addresses, our debit card or a credit card number over the internet. So this is what we have learned today, that what is e-commerce, what is allows, what is combined to make together a very good e-commerce. And in the end, there is a message, there is a conclusion that e-commerce industry is a force that no investor can afford to ignore. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We'll upload the second part of this lecture as well. Assalamu alaikum.